Hi everybody, today I'm gonna be doing something different, and what I'm gonna be doing is some Oreo Pops, and I'm gonna start listing off the supplies that you're gonna be needing to make the Oreo Pops. So first we're gonna need some wax paper. We're gonna need some wax paper, and right now I already have a piece over here. I already also washed my hands, and we need the wax paper to make sure we have our area clean. We're also gonna need a bowl that you could put in the microwave, not a plastic bowl, a glass bowl, because we're gonna need it in the microwave to put the chocolate, the melting chocolate, inside the bowl. So like that we could make our Oreo Pops. But if you just cannot find melting chocolate, you could also buy some candy melts, which they sell them at Walmart, and they also sell the melting chocolate at Walmart. And here I have the supplies that I'm gonna be needing to decorate my Oreo Pops, and this one too. And we're also gonna be needing some sticks to put our cake pops on top, our Oreo Pops. And we're gonna need some Oreos, but in specifically the mega stuff, because those are gonna be the ones that are gonna be able to fit in the sticks, and this is the ones that work better for us. So right now, oh, and we also have some ribbon that we're gonna be using at the end. And we also have the plastic bags that you could order at Amazon. And it will normally bring some little things so that you could tie it up. But in this case, we're just gonna use some ribbon because that's what we chose. And just so you know, everything that we bought is how we want to decorate the Oreo Pops, and this is how I personally do them. But I know that you guys might have a different way, and I totally respect that. So here we already have some melted chocolate, some melted white chocolate that we're gonna be using to put on our Oreos. First, you're gonna be needing to put you need to grab a stick and then grab an Oreo, and after that you need to dip the stick just a little bit in the bowl, and after that you're gonna just put it through the Oreo, and you need to lightly press it, not that much, so that the Oreo doesn't break, like this much, and then you're just gonna set it aside. Here I have one that's already dry, and what I'm gonna do right now is grab a little bit of chocolate and put it on top. This is how I do my Oreo Pops. The middle part I also do it so that it stays nice and covered. Just to clarify, this is how I personally do it. This is all the materials that we wanted to use, but you could use it however you want to use it. This is how we already have it. And on top, we're gonna add some little sugar sprinkles. I decided to mix the black sprinkles with the golden ones. I decided to mix them so that it could just be black with gold. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit. This is how I do it. I'm just gonna add a little bit into a little line. And next I'm just gonna dab this in lightly. And this is how it's gonna end up. You just have to leave it there. So like that, well, you could let it dry. And this is how one of my Oreo Pops ended up at the end. This is a dry one. I feel like it ended up very pretty, and I'm gonna show you the next 3 designs that I did. But you could do whatever design you want. You could be a little bit more creative and add different things that you want it for. It also depends on the occasion that you want to use it for. You could do, as I said, you could do whatever design and whatever color. It doesn't have to be specifically like this. And now, these that we already have, I'm gonna grab a plastic bag. And now that I have the plastic bag, I'm gonna open it. And I'm gonna put this Oreo Pop, I'm gonna put it inside the little plastic bag, like this. And next, I'm gonna close it, like this. And now I just grab the little piece of ribbon, and I'm gonna put it here. And next, I'm just gonna go like 2 times like this. Now that I have this ready, I'm gonna start making a little bow. So I'm just gonna go like this. And next, just so you know, you have to be very careful with this because the Oreo could break. So you have to be very careful with it. Make sure nothing happens. And after this, I could do better on this, but just because we don't have really that much time, I'm just gonna leave it like that. And now I'm gonna grab the scissors and I'm gonna open it like this. Be careful with this part because you do not want anything bad to happen. And after this, you could just go in the part that's not shiny, or in whatever part that you want to do it. You could go like this. If you go slowly like this, it starts to get together. And honestly, I don't like how this one ended up. But I already have another one that I did that looks way better. And it's this one. This is the final result of the one that I already did. I feel like it ended up very pretty. And well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. And just so you know, this is how I personally do it. And I just wanted to say bye and hope you have a fun time doing your Oreo Pops. Thank you so much for seeing and have a nice time. See ya. Bye.